What are the 5 pillars of Industry 4.0? How does it help you achieve your product development goals? Industry 4.0, as I know, it refers to a set of interconnected digital technologies and methods. Point 1. Improvement and 6S. Kaizen actually means continuous improvement, and 6S is for sorting, cleaning, maintaining, protecting, sorting, and standardizing. It can be seen that every employee has the responsibility to always maintain the habit of neatness and discipline in daily work. When neatness becomes a habit, it will motivate employees to keep improving. Point 2. Internet system. Smart manufacturing places great emphasis on collecting large amounts of data in real time. In the TiRapid factory, the interconnected system of Industry 4.0 is gradually optimizing our production process. In the past, data was mainly transmitted manually, which was inefficient and prone to errors. Now, with the help of the interconnected system, we have built an information sharing platform in the Faishu communication group. After workers enter data such as equipment parameters and production progress, they can synchronize data to various departments in real time, making production decisions more timely and accurate, and improving overall efficiency. Point 3. Data transparency our operators make during the production cycle is immediately recorded throughout the system, updating metrics such as inventory, machine status and load, product lead time, and any other criteria defined by management as critical to company performance. With this broad view, problems are easier to spot and thus easier to correct. Number 4. Automation. Automated systems will be used to perform routine work whenever possible. For example, some 3D scanners can be used to quickly measure manufactured parts in line and immediately identify rejects much faster than a human operator. Automation frees workers to perform other uniquely human tasks, ones that require creative thinking, problem solving, planning, and analysis. 5th, machine learning. Machine learning and artificial intelligence can be combined to predict and respond to unexpected situations on the shop floor without human intervention. For example, a CNC milling machine can record how long a given tool has been used to cut metal and schedule sharpening or replacement before the tool becomes dull and affects production. In fact, proactively planning routine maintenance is one of the best ways a company can avoid costly unplanned downtime, and such a maintenance system has been implemented at TiRapid for 3 years. These are the 5 main pillars of Industry 4.0. TiRapid is fully committed to implementing them and creating lean and smart manufacturing solutions to support your product development goals.